Welcome back. Step 3 for the trumpet, video 3. We just buzzed G and C on our mouthpiece. Again, we're setting that armature by blowing, moving it down here, and just getting the lips to touch. That's as simple as it can be. Okay? So the next part is, can you get that home base of G or C? In class, we've been doing a lot of G's. There's your G. Okay? So open the trumpet. Simply put. So, on the video, try this. 5, 6, G, rest, 2, again, 2, ready, simply put, there's your G. Now, C, again, we buzzed it on the mouthpiece, so let's establish C as one of our home bases. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, here we 5, 6, here we again. So Chavez Elementary School kids should be doing this every day, getting that home base established. Play along with the video for reference, but every day be finding that.